Hey, what's up guys? This is your boy Dave, and today I've got another awesome piece of content for you. Finally, I will answer the question you've asked me over and over again. Today's video, it's all about how to withdraw money from pocket option, how to withdraw your profit. This is most important part, right? So, you ready? Drop your popcorn and let's go. So, here we are on the Furniture Pocket Option website. You already know this interface. Now we go to the finance section, just like we'll always do. I can check my history here. Yeah, I recently withdrew $50 and that transaction went too. But now I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch. So let's go back, click on the withdrawal. And here choose the preferred network you're using. I'm withdrawing in crypto using TRC20. I passed my wallet address. Make sure you don't mix up the network. It is important. As you can see, the request has been sent. But sending a request is one thing per receiving the money. Another one, it's you're supposed to pass KYC policy, and the business process can take a few business days. But in my experience, it's usually way faster. I typically receive my money within the same day. You can always check the status your withdrawal in the history section, as you can see. And yeah, I requested $100 just to show you how it works. Now let's fast forward a little bit so I don't waste your time.
A few minutes later.
So right, I just grabbed my coffee, took a little walk, and now I'm back at my desk with you guys. You can check your email. You should see a confirmation from Pocket Auction. Yes, as you can see. And you can see your status of your request in this email. You see? Yeah, it's almost looks like a bank request. And now, let's go back to the desk. For me, it took like around 40 minutes. Sometimes it's even faster, actually. But remember, it can take a couple of business days too. That's it for the day. I highly recommend everyone to try withdrawing for the first time, because you guys need to see that this is a real money. What you can spend is not just the numbers on the screen. If you have any questions, drop this in the comments. And yes, of course, don't forget to put the like, subscribe this channel, and of course to subscribe to my Telegram channel. We make money every single day there, and I have the great signals. Well, see you next time, and let's make money together. Cheers!